Dear kids, in this video we will learn the family of alphabet G. Please subscribe this channel for more learning upcoming videos. Kindly like and share this video. Let's start learning and read with me.
Okay, let's start.
G.
G.
G for giraffe.
G for giraffe. Giraffe is the world's tallest living land animal. Its legs and neck are very long. It is plant eater.
G.
G.
G for gorilla.
G for gorilla. Gorillas are the largest apes. Gorillas are the closest living relatives to humans. They live in rainforests.
G.
G.
G for goat.
G for goat. Goats are closely related to sheep. People keep goats for their meat, milk, and wool. Goats eat grass.
G.
G.
G for grasshopper.
G for grasshopper. Grasshoppers have long hind legs that are good for jumping. They have antennas on their head.
G.
G.
G for guitar.
G for guitar. The guitar is a stringed instrument that makes music from the vibrations of strings. It has 6 strings stretched over it.
G.
G.
G for grapes.
G for grapes. Grapes are bulb-shaped fruits. They can be eaten fresh and dried to make raisins. It grows in wooded and warm regions of the world.
G.
G.
G for ghost.
G for ghost. A ghost is said to be a dead person's spirit, which shows itself to living people. Ghosts never have been proven to be real.
Dear kids, let's learn and practice how to write and trace alphabet letter G.
Okay, let's start. Like and subscribe ABC TV channel.